Hi friends, today we are talking about a small enchanting mountain town in Sri Lanka called Ella. Ella is a small town situated in Badulla district in Sri Lanka. It is approximately 200 kilometers east of Colombo and the elevation of this small town is 1040 meters above sea level. The area has a rich biodiversity with numerous varieties of flora and fauna. Ella is surrounded by hills covered with cloud forest and tea plantations. The range of outdoor activities and impressive sight of this Ella make it one of the best places to visit in Sri Lanka. This map shows where is Ella located and how to reach to Ella from other main cities in Sri Lanka. First, we should know what are the places we can travel around Ella. First one is Nine Arch Bridge. The Nine Arch Bridge is one of the most beautiful landmarks of Sri Lanka. It is situated between Ella and Damodar railway stations. There is an interesting story behind this bridge. During the World War One, the British rulers stopped the construction of the bridge due to lack of steel. However, the locals constructed this bridge using the stones and bricks. Therefore, this bridge has stood strong without a single piece of steel since then. The setting of this bridge is extremely charming and it is located inside a dense forest near a little village with tea plantations surrounding it. Now you can see several photographs of the Nine Arch Bridge. Our second destination is Little Adams Peak and Ella Rocks. These are more popular hiking destinations in Ella. A 3 hour easy trek. You will see beautiful tea plantations, dense forested countryside, and local villages. When you come to the top of the rock, you will be rewarded with breathtaking views of morning sun rising. You will get a bird's eye view of valleys rolling for miles. Here you can see another photograph of El Rock, and also you can see surrounding mountains and very famous El Vellavai main road. Next one is El Fall. Hallola Falls is a small but beautiful waterfall hidden inside the jungle on the Ellavai Road. People come to this place to enjoy a bath at, as it has a natural pool-like area to have some fun. Since the water is hidden away from the main road inside the jungle and the road is not so great, you may have to walk hundreds of meters to reach this Ellavai Fall. Now you can see several photographs of Ellavai Fall. Next one is Ravana Falls. Sri Lanka is abundant with the legends of Ramayana, so that even the natural landscapes have compelling stories associated with the Ramayana story. The Ravana Falls and the nearby caves are said to be the places where King Ravana hid. These legends and the striking landscape of this Ravana Fall attract many travelers annually. The waterfall is around 82 feet in height and is layered in three tiers. The third tier is approachable after a sharp rock climb and rewards with some amazing views of the dense green and the rocky landscape. Here are some pictures of Ravana Falls. Blue Water Pond or Nildiyapaguna is an underwater pond situated in a cave or a tunnel complex in Ella. Some believe this pond have been built by legend of King of Ravana. The pond lies 80 meters deep inside a mountain cave in Karadagolla. The exploration of Nildiyapaguna is an adventurous activity, and caution should be taken during this journey. The water of this pond is crystal clear and gives a blue color when it reflects with light. Here you can see very clear water and blue color when it reflects with light. Next place is Dover Buddhist Temple. Sri Lanka is known around the world about its peaceful spiritual destinations. The Rock Temple is one of the best attractions. According to references, this temple is old around 2000 years, and this temple is very famous for its huge 39 feet unfinished Buddha statue. We can see amazing rock arts and murals in this temple. Our next destination is Dialuma Waterfall. Dialum Waterfall is 220 meters in height and the second highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. It is situated at Kosland area. This waterfall is formed by Poonagaluwe. This fall has different levels and natural pools on the top. You can reach the Dialum Fall within an hour by tuk-tuk or other vehicle from Ella. When you reach the first part of the waterfall, you will see a series of natural pools. You can swim and even jump from one pool to other with safe. Yeah, you can see many natural pools at the top of the waterfall. Kurulangala prehistoric cave. This was discovered very recently. There are several prehistoric paintings we can see here. These Rocky Mountain cave arts never observed anywhere in the country. We can observe line drawings of huge birds, peacocks, humans, and other unidentifiable rock arts, which some believe to be 5,000 years old. The drawings has been spread over a large area of the rock surface, and some of drawings are drawn on high up on rock, which are impossible to reach. Most of the drawings has faded due to being directly exposed to climatic changes many times. You can see some prehistoric paintings there. Our next destination is Lipton Seat. Lipton Seat is a panoramic overlooking destination in Sri Lanka. It is one of the most impressive viewpoints in Sri Lanka, situated on 1970 meters above sea level. This precise spot in the Habutale Mountains overlooking the Damathana tea estate where Sir James Lipton used to sit and contemplate his plantation with its stony landscape and green tea bushes. Once you get to the summit of Lipton Seat, you will have a bird's eye view of the five provinces in Sri Lanka. In addition, on a clear day, you can see several lakes, including Handapangal Lake, Chandrika Lake, Udawalav Lake, as well as Hambantota Port. Here you can see surrounding tea estates in Haputale area. Edison Bungalow is situated at Haputale, where around 25 kilometers away from LA. This huge stone mansion was once the country house of a planter Sir Thomas Lester Villiers. This building was constructed in 1931 and it was designed in the Tudor style. Currently, this bungalow is used as a monastery of Saint Benedict and also embraces a relic of Pope Sylvester I at the chapel. The vast enhancing gardens leading up to the bungalow still holds, with blooming flowers and fruits. Many comfortable camping sites are available in LA. You can explore beautiful El Gap one morning for breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, all the way down to the southern coast. You can camp at El throughout the year, and many camping companies are in El to help you. Now I'm showing the Google map mentioning popular camping sites of El area. Transport. How can we reach to El? If you are planning to come to El, you can come by train, bus, or taxi. If you like to come by train, you can buy online tickets or buy tickets at any railway stations in Sri Lanka for the date you want. The train trip to El is considered to be one of the most beautiful train trips in the world. This train ride is 7 hours long and it takes you beautiful landscape of tea plantations and mountain views. In addition, you can hire or rent a taxi or tuk-tuk or a bicycle for the transportation of in L area. In L, you can do many adventurous activities like hiking, cycling, waterfall adventures, high rope course, low rope course, zipper line, toddy topless walk, and monkey jaw rope. All these thrilling adventurous experiences are organized by several hotels. Here you can see some activities. Hotels. There are many hotels in L area with very magnificent views. You can book those many hotels online. They give many offers for you. Now I am showing some hotels situated at L area. There are plenty of restaurants in L area. We can have a meal, a cup of tea, or some drinks after sunset. In these restaurants, you can get variety of food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Most of restaurants offer traditional food deliciously prepared and at reasonable price. Now you can see some restaurants situated at L area. You can get variety of Sri Lankan or Indian or Chinese or any other food from many of restaurants in L. Hi friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe us and like, comments, share this video.